for her friends. Make some space, make some space, make some space. Darcy, you are going to stand right over there in front of all of these people. Perfect. Now, Darcy, I'm going to give you the dinosaur, but let's be careful. Dinosaur is dangerous, he is wild, he is rabid. Okay, so be careful.
He is burning.
Careful. Now, Darcy, here's how this is going to work. I'm going to get my musical whip for this one. Darcy, I am going to whip the Wolverine. Watch out. I wheel around, I will whip the bear. Watch out. I will turn to you and I will say, Darcy, throw me the dinosaur. And you will do a nice, underhanded, high, arcing, slow throw so that the dinosaur, Darcy, lands over there. Darcy, I'm going to be over here. You're aiming over there. Darcy? You're not trying out for the Rockies right now. Darcy, we want a nice, easy, underhanded throw. Let's do a practice throw. Let's do a practice throw. Yeah. Practice throw right here. Yeah, right here on the count of 3. Perfect. Darcy, that was a good throw. If you can, a little bit higher and a little bit slower, and we will be good to go. Do as I say, not as I do. Darcy, hang on, sit still for just a second. I'm going to talk to the audience real quick. Here we go. Now, folks, sometimes when I'm with the animals, they do have a tendency to fly off into the audience and try to escape. So, should the bear, the Wolverine, or Barney, land near you, please, audience. Pick it up, throw it back to me after the trick is over, gently. Also, those of you in the front rows, you are in what I like to call the animal splash zone. Yeah. The animals are soft. They do sometimes fly at you rather quickly, though. So be ready to catch. Don't be like the woman who took a Wolverine to the face. Audience, are you ready? Yeah. Darcy, are you ready? Now, Darcy, there are going to be animals flying everywhere. Don't be distracted. Don't be like, oh, Wolverine. No. You must concentrate this way. Here we go. Darcy, thanks, you're doing best. Darcy,